Good morning, children. I hope you all are good and safe. Before we start our lesson, we will sing a poem. Everything I am, everything I am, everything I be, everything I be, I give it to you, Lord, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Okay. Class है playgroup, subject English and topic is letters. Our today's topic is letter E. Before we start our today's lesson, we will revise our previous lesson. This letter is letter A and the sound of A is A. This letter is letter B and the sound of B is B. This letter is letter C and the sound of C is K. This letter is letter D and the sound of D is D. Okay, students, this letter is letter E and we will sing a poem which starts with letter E. Okay. Here comes a D elephant to talk to you and me. Here comes a D elephant, he talk to you and me. He just says he just says he belongs to Mr. E. He just says he just says he belongs to Mr. E. Okay. Students, this letter is letter E and the sound of E is A. Sound of E is A. Sound of E is A. Elephant, elephant, elephant. And the next one is egg, 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 egg. And the other picture is envelope, envelope, envelope. Okay, and the next one is eye, eye. And the next one is elbow, elbow, elbow. Our today's letter is letter E and the sound of E is A. Sound of E is A. Elephant, egg, envelope, eye, elbow. Okay, students, this is our activity number 1. Color the box that has letter E written in it. Here we have our boxes A, D, C, E, B. And okay, tell me, where is E? Yes, this is E. This is E. And this is also E. And you will color that box which shows letter E. Okay. Our activity 2 is color the picture of elephant on your workbook pre-level 1 page number 7. Students, open your workbook page number 7. Here we have a picture of elephant. You will color in it. Students, I hope you enjoy your today's lesson. See you with your new lesson tomorrow. Stay home, stay safe.